Morning traders, Kaler here with Elite Trading, coming to you live every day right here with pre-market prep 9 a.m. with Elite Trading. So we are taking a look at what we're trading. What stocks are we looking at? What are we pulling up? Well, me in particular, I'm looking at what's under $5, what's being kind of left out, what's behind the scenes, not participating in what most companies are being, or not participating in the tweets and all the social media and the news coverage. Which ones are not in that limelight? Who's about to be the next one? So let's see what we're watching. Here's a list. You can simply pull it up pretty easily. You just go into your Webull account or into another brokerage that you use and just look up the top stocks, and I go all the way to the bottom. We're at the 599th one, GBS, and it's down 1.74% to 339 in the pre-market. These are the ones that we're looking at: GBS, INFI, EMAN, BGI, AKBA. None of these names you've ever heard of, most likely. And if you've heard of them, drop it in there. Tell us, hey, you're wrong, Kaler. We've heard of these. I trade them all the time. But if you're not trading these, then they're particularly interesting to me because I like the ones that no one's talking about. I want to be a part of something before everyone's talking about it. And then when the hype takes over, you're the one selling the moment when people say, I wish that I could buy or should I get in, and you're already out. WeMe, one that we talked about a long time ago. Haven't watched this stock in a while. Last time we called it, had a huge run. Kango, it's another one. Kango can go. We have the UAVS on here. YELL, KALA. These are all pharmaceutical, biomedical, kind of just left behind. No one's talking about stocks. So I'm watching these and we'll see what happens with them. Others on the list: KIM, AU, KURA, and SUMO. Also watching TCVA, YTPG, FCAX, SNR, LOTZ. These are all on the screeners that are popping up. We always go with the top 5, or if depending on what kind of scanner we're using or screener, we go to the bottom of the list and we find things like DXF, IMH, JFU, high dividend yield bank stocks, banking and investment services sector, yield between 0% and 1%, high market value US stocks. There's your big caps. These are the big dogs. These are how I find my tickers in the mornings. 90% of what I look at is right in here. Pretty simple. And then I pull them up in TradingView and things like that as well. Plus, I go in here to the AI bots, taking a look at the AI bots this morning. I put in open interest for LUV, airlines. Got some nice call percentages going in there. Good volume, pretty liquid, good tradable option flow there. LVS, been holding these Octobers right here along with these 106 other thousand people. And volume of 4,700 trading, call to put it, percentages looking pretty good. I like this trade. Take a look at the unusual options activity. Twitter, CLOV, Clove is on this list everywhere. Clove puts for $14, $13, $12. They're just selling for some premium of those 13, 12, and 14. They think it's going to stay above that, or watch out for a dip. Take a screenshot if you need to. Oh, let me move this real quick for you. You guys need to. So you can see the tickers. All right. And now let's get into taking a look at some of these chartings. What up, AMC? What you doing this morning? Pre-market down $3, $5 or 5% down $3, $52. You know, they're not getting you paid early in the morning and making you feel real good when it comes to those people holding them calls. Yesterday, if you held a 54, it was up $400, down a few $100, and then pretty much break even, down about $50 at the end of the day. So selling on rips and buying on dips, it's okay. When you are trading something like this and you feel like, man, I really want to be in for this pop, and you buy out for July, but you get a $400 pop in a minute, you might as well take it because you're going to probably get that dip. Now, sometimes you miss out, it breaks out, it keeps on going, and never stops. But if it happens to do that, then you should be ready to go and get in again anyway. So just be careful, take some profit, be happy. Be happy with making a little bit of money. My range today, got to break out that 61.56. Come and test that out. It had 3 tops, 1, 2, 3. If it attempts to come up here and then fails and comes back down, we're watching the 48 range. Could come down, test 48, and then try to come back and retake 61.56. My opinion, stay away. Be careful. This is going to be a hard one to play here today, but I think it's going to run up to $60 and test that 60 again. LVS. Oh, sorry. Crucial support level here. Needs to hold right here. It already broke past what I called support. So now, we got $5 to the upside staring right in your face. And you've got $47, so you've got $8 to the downside staring right in your face. It's a hard trade, so you almost would rather be lucky enough to get in down there at that 47. You rode it up here, still had some apiece, got off of some of the piece there, and then now you're just wanting to hold this 55, and it's barely holding on to it this morning. So we'll see how this trade works out for us for the September calls. Neck is stiff. All right, can go. Let's look at can go. Look at that. Longer the base. Boom, skyrocket. I'm going to play this one today, most likely. Pre-market, it's already blasted off. Missed out on 5% of the move. We'll maybe look for a little dip. It's got to break past this here. 580. Come after that high up here at 610, 624. What is it? 617. And then you got your support at 516, clear support down around $5, but this thing could go. Can go, might go. Let's see if we can get some can go. I don't want to leave this one. I don't want to forget about it, so I'm going to pull up a secondary chart. MGM. If you guys don't know how to do that, what you do is just go here to grid, and then you can actually pull up to 9 symbols, 9 different charts at once. So if you're watching different sectors and you're watching for sympathy plays, looking for different ones to run together, if you're watching, maybe like a spider index with Tesla, and then you're watching an Apple and Microsoft, things like that, you're watching these bigger tings. Hit that like button. Don't forget, I'm not here to give you stock advice to tell you what to buy or sell, but I'm telling you some trade ideas and giving you some help. So if you like what we're doing, and if you want to see more training videos for free in this group, all you have to do is shout out to Kaylor here and say, hey, I want more of these videos. Here's what I want you to talk about. And let us know. If you're in here watching right now, hit that like button, smash it, kick it, punch it, drop kick it, do something, help the group out, share that stuff. Do us a favor. if you'd like to sign up for an affiliate marketing, you can actually join our group as well if you're looking to share the link and you're one of the members who already follows us regularly and you just want to be a part of that. We have a few members that have signed up for that. If you want to be a part of it, let us know. We'll get you signed up, and we'd like to get you making a little extra cash for being a part of the team. So now look at this. We got all these beautiful little charts up here. And what would I do if I'm looking at this? So I'd have my alerts and my key levels ready to go. And I would basically just be looking for one or two to break. And then if I see, Microsoft, I see SPY coming down, I see Apple coming down, and I'm like, okay, you know what? Maybe this is a time to go short, not go long. Helps me see a bigger picture across the map and seeing what's moving relative to the SPY. Like, let's say that it's moving against the SPY, and every time the SPY goes up, it's going down, and whenever the SPY goes down, it's going up. It's just the way things work. It's just the way the money's moving. So I watch that, and I make a play out of it. So CNBC Clover Health surges 22%. This is straight from CNBC, and it's, part of the meme frenzy. It's saying you have Clover was trading at $27.11 in the pre-market, trading up 22.4% from its previous close. At one point was up 100%. Stock rose 86% on Tuesday. The stock is up 146% on the week through Tuesday's close. So, be careful going and buying when it's that high, Let's look at ETH. Take a look at the cryptos. Bitcoin up 2,000, Ethereum up $79 amid the bad news. They were all talking smack, saying it was getting a big dip. It took a small dip, and then it is holding still. Key support at 2,100 there. Watch out for that 1,700 to come down here and fill back down to get that taken care of. If not, then you've got a big upside up here with a lot of overhanging overhead supply, so be careful with that. It looks like your range is 2,130 to 2,700 in that change. So, you're trading between 21 and 28, 27. So your range is right here, 3 to 400, 3 to 500. That's the range, I think, that you would want to get in on the lower end of, not the higher end. So keep in mind, so we're looking at them then. Bitcoin, I don't trade it as much. I wasn't in on it early enough, so I trade the new ones more. 32 cents on Doji today, almost breaking that 33 cents again. Been pretty mute, hasn't been doing much lately, in between that 30 and 33, 30 range, about 3 cent range. So 40 cents up to above there, hanging about all alone in the middle of nowhere. Looks like it might take a run to get back up there, but if not, it gets broken down here at the 36, and then if it breaks through there, you're going to see 25 real quick, in my opinion. 25 cents is the next mark for our strike on that one. So hope you guys like what you see. Hope you understand a little bit of what we're talking about. If you want to learn more, get into the live Discord group, grab the link, join us and get started with Elite Trading Options and Smart Money course with Elite Trading Matthew Mickey, and learn, grow, be a part of the community. Stay in the green, stay blessed, my friends, and come back tomorrow, and we'll get you guys started. If you guys want to jump in right now, we're gonna be live talking in the boiler room. If anyone wants to join, some people join, some people don't. If you do join, let me know. Let me know if you want to get in there and talk about what's going on in the market. Want to see us trade a little bit in the morning? Let us know. Thanks, guys.